Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to count check boxes in Excel. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here we will search Excel and tap to open it. Now, firstly, insert checkbox in Excel. Go to the Developer tab. Now go to the Insert. Here you will see checkbox. Click on it. Now select where you want the checkbox. I'm selecting there. You can adjust the checkbox and fit it anywhere. Now copy it. How much checkboxes you need. Click on that. Here you will see. Now link checkbox to cells. Right click on the checkbox. Here you will go to format control. Now in the go to control tab, here you will select cell link. Like I am selecting L, and this is the sixth cell, L6th. Then press OK. Now when the checkbox is checked, the link cell will show true like this. When unchecked, it will show false like this. You will see when I was checked, then true, and not checked, then false. Now count checked checkboxes. We are writing the formula. Count if, then bracket start, then select the range, like L5, L6, then comma, last was L12, comma. Here we will type true, bracket close, and press enter. Here we will see the clicked checkboxes are 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the formula for unchecked boxes is equals to count if, bracket start, L6, L12, comma, false. The false were unchecked boxes were 3, 1, 2, and 3. That's it. That's how you can count check boxes in Excel quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.